Hello YouTube, today I'm going to replace a set of wheels to the car of WLtoys A979. Okay, this old set of wheels that I had from the car, as you see, it's really messed up, it's broken and it looks bad. Okay, this is the new wheels I bought from eBay. You can see they are bigger. This is the old size, this is the new size. Okay, I will put them here. Okay, you see it's a really different wheels. These wheels are for dirt a little bit and for the road. Okay, this is more for dirt. Okay, because the wheels are bigger, you need an adapter. So this type of adapter I bought from Banggood. Okay, that's all. I already put these wheels. I will put the last one just to show you how it's done. The more important thing to make sure that you put all the wheels in the same direction. You see, there is a direction to the wheels. You need to put this right way. Okay, now I'm going to take this adapter, put it in the wheel. Make sure inside of the part we connect the wheel has to be this little part. Okay, that's all. You need to make sure it connects good. That's all. I replaced the same thing I did with all the wheels, and now you can see we have a new set of wheels to the car. Looks good. I will put the shell and we can see how it looks with my shell. Just a moment. And it looks good. Okay, this is the new set of wheels to this great car. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.